did my hair much lighter yesterday. I'm in love with it. Alright guys, so I'm baking a bread and a sponge cake with raspberries and strawberry in it. This is so good.
Ella sabe que con quien está hablando tú me conoces más. No juegues, no. Ella sabe que yo no estoy jugando, que quiero algo más, no solo sexo. ¿Cómo que no fue? Si yo recuerdo que fue ayer. Un par de tragos después pa'l cuarto, lo hicimos hasta el amanecer. ¿Cómo que no fue? Sé que te acuerdas lo que te dije, que de tus besos tenía sed, que yo soy serio, no pa' vaciles. No. Oye, perdona por todos los males.
Okay, so I washed my hair for the first time and it was a bit scary because there were so many new products. I was afraid how my hair would look after I washed it. I still love it as much as before. I applied this serum that I got, and then I also applied this little heating oil. Put some of these hair curlers in my hair, just here in the front, and then I straightened it just a little bit because I don't want to damage it too much. Today it's Saturday and I'm at home just chilling. We've just been tidying up, I've been doing some laundry, stuff like that. I washed my hair because now I'm only allowed to wash my hair once a week. I used to wash my hair like almost every day, so I've been suffering the last few days, but I managed 1 week without washing my hair. I washed it today and I just blow dried it, put all the products in it that I got from my hairdresser, and then I flattened it and I put in some rollers, and I like what it looks like right now. Also did my makeup, and now I'm in the middle of baking scones. Look at the sunlight, I love it. We only get sunlight for like once a week, so I should go out, but I can't bother. I'm just gonna enjoy the sun from here. Okay, so now I'm baking my scones. This here right behind me is my vision board. I have it in the kitchen because I like to watch it when I get up in the morning or at night when I make my little nighttime snack. Right now I'm baking scones, so you have to see them for yourself. This is what they look like. So it's Saturday, I feel so good. I just washed my hair It was the second time I think that I washed my hair since I got this new hair color, and I'm just washing it once a week and it has worked out great for me. So I did all these treatments and then I did my makeup. Also really satisfied because I just deep cleaned my apartment, I did laundry and all of these things, and now I'm ready to go to my dad's place. Alright guys, so now I'm dressed and I'm wearing this black skirt with a blue top, my little Paris sweater, which is really cute because it has these golden buttons. These earrings, I have a couple of rings on my hands. I fixed my hair, so I'm ready to go.